Hi, I'm Fred. Welcome to IKEA. Today we're going to try something a little bit different. In a time-traveling experiment, we're going to allow our customers to experience our solutions in the future. And to help our subjects have something real to relate to, we brought in a few actors. Now, to help them further believe that they're actually in the future, I've invited world-famous hypnotist Justin Trans to give us a hand. Shall we go find some people?
Let's do it. Hey, excuse me. Do you guys want to be hypnotized?
No.
Have you ever been hypnotized? No. So it's going to be fun and very upbeat.
Okay, yeah. Let's go.
Looks like it's going pretty well.
On the count of 3, your eyes are stuck and they won't work. I feel you shaking.
My whole body is vibrating.
It is. What do your eyes feel like? What do they feel like?
Like I can't open them.
What was the experience like?
It was really...
Feel your eyes trying to open. Feel them trying to open. They won't work.
How does hypnosis work?
Hypnosis is bypassing the critical faculty of your conscious mind and implanting selective thinking.
Yes. That's good. Maintain your balance easily. Just like a horse, you can stand and sleep. I touch your eyes pop open. Check this out. You know, look this way. Look this way. Look at me. Just sleep. Like a rag doll. Just letting go. You're good. Go deeper, deeper, deeper still. Look at me. Close your eyes. Just like, close your eyes. Just see. The deeper you go, the better you feel. The better you feel, the deeper you go.